Hello everyone, you have Royce here and welcome to our channel Sansevieria 101. So for this episode, we're going to feature another cultivar. Actually, this is an unpublished cultivar of the trifasciata species. And this was, I have discovered it. It was being sold online, and the seller is hailing from Arangay La Union here in the Philippines, and I have observed that this kind of trifasciata has unique characteristics or characteristic, namely it has a gold patch of it's some sort of a flame or a flame patch on the topmost portion of the leaf, which is distinctive to other trifasciatas. And the seller, actually the seller's name is Michelle Dulay, and she's from the Philippines, and she's the one who is selling this kind of trifasciata, and she is calling it dark gold flame. However, I'm coining in that because of the dark or the variegated distinct variegation of this specimen or of this trifasciata, that it can be merited as a cultivar, because I have seen the mother plant, and there were two sproutlings on it with exactly the characteristics. So we can wait for further pops from it, but I'm pretty sure that it's pretty stable. By the way, I'm coining in calling it Sansevieria trifasciata Santelmo, because in Philippine mythology, stories of Santelmo says that it is the spirit of a man or woman who has died near a river, lake, or ocean, and during heavy rains, but the lost soul appears to be as a ball of flame. So with that said, I'm coining in calling it Sansevieria trifasciata Santelmo because of the flame patch that is located on the topmost portion of the leaf. And in Philippine mythology, Santelmos are that ball of fire that represents the soul of a human being. Also, Santelmo means, in short, is Saint Elmo's flame. So I'm coining in that name, and I'm talking to the seller if she is agreeable to calling it with that dub or name the cultivar as such. And then we'll also be describing the characteristics of this said specimen on another clip. So I think this is it for the introduction for this trifasciata cultivar. Alright everyone, we're back, and as promised, we'll be discussing the characteristics of this trifasciata. So like I already mentioned, this kind of trifasciata is rare, and I have not found anything like it as of the current, except for this specimen, and the seller already have 3 shoots coming from one plant, and I'm not sure if there are more. And also, as mentioned, the seller named it or dubbed it as Sansevieria trifasciata dark gold flame, and I pitched in, or I wanted to coin in that we changed the name to Santelmo, like I have mentioned in the first clip. But right now we're going to discuss the characteristics of the said trifasciata, or we might need to consider this a new cultivar for the species. So without further ado, to describe the characteristics of this specimen. So what you see right now that I'm focusing at is the base coloration of the said plant, or the said cultivar of trifasciata. So as I focus, you will observe that the base coloration of this cultivar is dark green, which means it came from the dark green clones of trifasciatas. And the marginations, like I have mentioned uh, on the previous episodes when we were talking about the silver cultivars, especially the Laurentii silver, and then the Sansevieria trifasciata argentea. The marginations or the variegation that are on them are creamy yellow in color. However, with what I'm showing you right now, these types of variegation are the ones that I call the bright yellow variegations. So I think it may have mutated from the Sansevieria trifasciata Gold Flame, which is another cultivar of trifasciata, which I will be featuring later on. However, they are the cultivar of trifasciatas that don't reach about 2 feet or more. They are within 2 feet or shorter, about 16 to 18 inches, but not reaching 24. So what I'm showing you right now, though, is uh, maybe I can say it's the full size or the long leaf version of the Sansevieria trifasciata Gold Flame, which is medium leaf or compact form of trifasciatas. They are trifasciatas that grow above 6 inches but not more than 24 inches. So those are the compact size or the medium leaf size trifasciatas. What you see right now is growing to at most or above, maybe more than 2 feet. So to prove that it is almost 2 feet, or it is 2 feet because I have planted it deeper than I should, you have my 24-inch ruler, and what you can see right now is it's exactly at 24 feet. I'm moving backwards so you can see the whole specimen. Okay, there you go. So it's exactly at 24 feet. I'm sorry, 24 inches. I mean, or 2 feet. So those are the characters. That's the variegations or the marginations. Marginations are type of variegations that occur on the sides of the leaf, and also you will see that you'll also have a very long a very long variegated line on the center. So it runs from the bottom part up to the topmost portion of the leaf, which is common on some trifasciatas. Even Laurentii have that, but this specimen though has a very thick variegated lines from going from the bottom to the topmost portion of the this specimen. So hopefully I can have them pop new or have new sproutlings, or have pups grown, so that I can compare and I can say that it's really stable. Also, to add that one of the distinctive characteristics, like I mentioned on the first clip, is this golden or yellow patch here that is occurring on almost all the leaves of this trifasciata. I have seen the mother plant, and there is another pup that was sold by the seller. There are 3 all in all in one clump that was declumped and sold. So I have purchased one of them, and I saw that it has a distinctive characteristics of having this yellow flame-like patch, which is why I coined it as to be called as Sansevieria trifasciata Santelmo, and with the reasons that I have mentioned on the first video of this content. So I think that's all that I can discuss or describe regarding the characteristics of this specimen or this trifasciata. Like I mentioned, it is part of the dark green clone. It's variegated. It has a distinct pattern, which is like a flame-like patch on the topmost portion of the leaves of this specimen, and as well as the specimen that I saw with the clump that was sold. I'll be posting the pictures of that, so you folks can see that it is a stable cultivar, and it can be merited to have a name and be classified on its own as one of the trifasciata cultivar. All right, so that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching, and if you like the content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, everyone.